Well, welcome back to the Timeline Ranch. It's a fairly decent day temperature wise, a little cloudy, chance of rain. Well, hopefully that'll happen. We'll see. I know everyone's interested in probably what's in the well in this exceptional drought that the ranch is experiencing right now. You can see the pond is completely dry, at least on this deepest point on this portion of the pond. There's a small pocket of water right over there on the other side of that little dam of natural soil that hasn't been removed yet. Let's take a look inside the well and see what's in there. You can see the kids are up there playing on the road. Close the door so it's nice and dark in here. The flashlight worked a little better. The water's nice and clear. See a little rock that just fell in there sinking to the bottom. Just by eyeballing it, I would say there's about 3 foot of water in that lower section, which is around 300 gallons just in this portion. But there's also, you have to think of the gravel bed that feeds from the pond to here, and that's full of water as well, which is quite a bit. Let's measure with a tape and see exactly what we have. I'm thinking it's close to 3 feet though, which if it is, it's, like I said, 300 gallons. Yeah, it looks like it's about 3'4". Foot of water in there. So the well's working good even though there's no water in the pond. I really need to put some more time into my water resilience though. I need to build a tank over here on this side of the building, that 30,000 gallon tank. I also need to finish the road so I can get that building built up there with 600 gallon water tanks. We've been using this pitcher pump quite a bit this trip. Comes in handy, you know, you can save the better water for finishing off washing the dishes, but it's been working good. It holds a prime all night now. It seems like it just needs to be used more to work better. Well, that's all I have. I guess I'll see you on the next one.